Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Yuli Gimba. I am 37 years old, single, and I'm from the Philippines. My highest educational attainment is midwifery and caregiving and CETO. My hobbies are cleaning, cooking, sports like badminton, and reading books. I also love dogs. I have one dog at home named Barbie. I have skills in childcare and household services. I work as a housemaid in Hong Kong from March 10, 2017 until May 15, 2017. I took care of one couple and their newborn baby. My main duties is taking care of the newborn baby, cooking, cleaning, ironing, do laundry, and marketing. But I was terminated without knowing the reason. I go back to the Philippines and decided to apply in Taiwan and I got accepted. I work as a housemaid from March 26, 2018 to November 4, 2022. I took care of one couple and their children ages 2 to 5. My main duties were childcare, cooking, cleaning, ironing, do laundry, and marketing. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my family and for my future. And also, I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to experience and learn the Hong Kongers' way of working. I am willing to take care of a newborn and an elderly person. To my future employer, ma'am, sir, please choose me because I am hardworking, kind, compassionate, and obedient. I promise to do my job well and finish the 2-year contract or more. I look forward in working with you soon, sir, ma'am. Thank you.